once again, good morning. So today we're going to demonstrate to you guys how to install the R and RStudio in your computer devices. Okay, so we need to access first rstudio.com. Okay, so we have here the products and the download. So we'll be utilizing the open source of R, the RStudio, the premier IDE for R. Okay, so we could go to RStudio. So this is an integrated development environment for R. It includes console syntax highlighting editor that supports direct code execution. We go click for RStudio desktop. Okay, then we need to download RStudio desktop, the free version. Then you need to install the R. Okay, so comprehensive R network, the cron rstudio.com. Download for Windows. Then we need to click install R for the first time. It will allow us to install all the necessary libraries for our RStudio. Okay, click Windows, then we just need to wait this up. Then go back here, then we need to download RStudio desktop. So it only indicates that we need first to install R before we install the RStudio. Okay, so this is the software that we're going to utilize in our class on data mining and analytics. Okay, so it will depend on the speed of your internet connection. So we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, so we encounter network problem here. Okay, so we already downloaded the R. So while waiting for the RStudio, we can install first the R. So we need to download first the R. Click, then right click, then run as administrator. Click yes. So while waiting for the RStudio, okay, we're installing the R right now. We just need to follow the instructions, the general public license, and how to use the R. Click next. So we just need to follow this. Next. Okay, so accept defaults. So it will be installing R. going to have a desktop shortcut. Okay, so that's it. How simple it is to install R for Windows. We're utilizing R for Windows 4.1.2. Okay, so we just need to follow the instructions. We're doing this because some students are asking us on how to properly install the RStudio. So we just need to install first the R, then later we're going to install the RStudio. Okay, so just need to wait it up. Okay, so we're done already installing our R for Windows. So just need to click this button, finish button. Okay, now we're now ready to install the RStudio. So you just need to do the same, right click, then run as administrator. Okay, so we just need also to follow the instructions. Okay. Okay, so this is the proper way of installing the RStudio. So remember, we need to install first the R 4.1.2 before installing the RStudio 2021. Okay, so we just need to follow the same instructions here. So click next, the destination folder, RStudio, then that's it. So we just need to wait for it to install all the required files for the RStudio in our computer. So we just need to wait to finish it up. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's extracting its files to our computers. Okay, so we're done already setting up our RStudio on our computer. So now we can open our RStudio. We need to enable automated crash reporting. So click yes. So this is how we install properly the RStudio. So we need to do the R first prior to installing the RStudio.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a positive comment, like, share and subscribe.